Hello students. The students who want to appear in IELTS test, they must know the tips, the techniques to do their reading test. You are going to have three reading passages within 1 hour. It's very important to go for the test well prepared. We are going to talk about the tips which are really very useful and which are very important to know before going for IELTS test. When you get the test, you need to read the heading of the passage. After reading the heading of the passage, you need to make mind, you need to think about the topic and try to relate this topic with your own experiences or whatever you know before, so that you can understand what is this all about. Read the topic, try to understand it. Managing time is really very important. It is as important as the IELTS score is important for you. So you need to go for the test well prepared. Underline all the capital letters in the passage first. Underline all the figures, all the digits given in the passage, underline them. All the dates which are given in the passage, underline them. If there is any graph discussed, if there is any table, try to underline all those things in the passage. If you are in the habit of reading question first, that's wonderful. Read the question first. Try to understand what is being asked in the question. Unless you won't understand what is being asked in the question, there is no chance to find out the answer. Understand the question carefully, with more attention. Understand it. Read it twice. Read it 3 times. But try to understand what is being asked in the question. Timing is very important. Don't spend too much time on one question. It's very important. If you don't know what is being asked, leave it. Leave this question. You can come to this question again. When you read all the passage for all the questions, you will come to know the answer. Go for the next one. Don't try to read each and every word. Learn the techniques, how to skim the passage, how to scan it, how to scan for the specific word, how to scan the passage, how to look for the specific information. It's very important. If you want to really appear in IELTS test, you need to know these techniques. Try try to learn these techniques, practice them again and again. If you don't know the answer at all, if you don't know what would be the answer, okay, leave it. Go for the next one. Look for the next question. Try to understand it. Don't panic. We don't have time. We don't have time to waste. We have 1 hour. We have to complete our task. 40 questions in 1 hour. So you need to keep this thing in mind. Practice, practice, practice a lot before going to attempt your IELTS test. Write the exact word which is given in the text. Don't use your own language. And and write what is being asked. Write only that word. If you find in the evening in the text, and they are in the is written in the question already, so don't write in the again, just write evening, just write one word. If word limit, read how many words you can write in the answer. It's very important. Read what is being asked. So if you will not give attention to these things, there is no chance to get good score. If the question is being asked that you need to write down a singular word and you are going to write a plural word, you will lose score. And one score is very important in the IELTS test. If you're not understanding something, leave it. Go for the next one. Look, give attention. What kind of questions are these? And what is being asked? What I need to look for? What kind of word I need to look for in the text? You need to attempt all the questions. If you're not finding the exact answer, then you can write whatever comes to your mind after reading the text. But write, complete all the questions, because there is no penalty at all if you are going to write something wrong. So after reading, after the completion of your reading test, you need to look, you need to check your question, all the questions again, and you need to transfer your answers on the answer sheet, exactly whatever you wrote on your reading test. Thank you so much.